much traffic, man. Come on, seatbelt on. Turn the rebels up. Quite a minute since I recorded. I got a lot to show. I've done quite a bit of stuff to the car. A lot of cosmetic. Since the last video I posted, it's about the, like, performance-wise, it's about the same. I finally got some new rims. Damn, dude, I made it sound like a lot. Actually, to be honest, it's not a lot. I think that's about it. Since the last time I recorded till now, I probably maybe just rims and maybe a side skirt. Oh, besides that, it's really not too much. But, yeah, man. I just wanted to record a POV drive. It's my first time recording again. Oh my gosh, I'm like popping my cherry all over. But I'm not gonna lie, this new camera I got, I really rock with it a lot more than the old one, just because the old camera was really big. This camera's a lot smaller. So like if you get like nervous in public, like I do, I get really nervous. I don't like to say I have social anxiety, but I just don't like a lot of people staring at me, you know? I'm pretty sure a lot of people can relate. Some people like attention, I don't. Oh my gosh, hold on. Dude, this wind is about to knock my camera off my head. But like I was saying, new camera setup, I really rock with it a lot. I'm still playing around with the coloring. Dude, that G was nice. I'm still playing around with like the coloring. I don't know how to do color grading. I do plan on getting like an ND filter, which it helps a lot with the, you know, make the colors a lot more vibrant. Bro, let me show y'all this app, man. Hold on. Bro, this app is fire, bro. Y'all gotta get a DJI for sure. Over a GoPro, I feel like DJI is knocking GoPro out of the water for sure. That's the IG, by the way, if you want to go follow that. I think it's cool, bro. Like I can like for real have my setup like right here and watching myself record. I need to have my parameters up. Check my temps. Honda Civic wants it. Let's give it to him. Bro, the biggest change too with the interior. I forgot all about this. Y'all haven't seen this since the like. Dude, okay, let me tell you. I was supposed to make a video, which I got videos. I just haven't uploaded it. I made a video, right, of like me like installing the steering wheel, and I never uploaded it. And well, here it is. I'll probably upload that video after I uploaded this one, just so y'all can see the process if y'all do want to know how to install the Q50 steering wheel, because there's not a lot of videos. There's probably like a good 4 or 5 videos out there that really explain it good. And yeah, man, it's really not that hard. It's quite simple, just a lot of tabs. You just gotta be real careful. It's a delicate process. I got my, the steering wheel came from Alibaba, so China on top. Like, I kid you not, like, a lot of the suppliers that you, like, your big name brands that sell a lot of carbon fiber and stuff over here in the US, a lot of them get their stuff from Alibaba, and they just up-tax it. Like, you gotta think, man, why do they take so long to ship these stuff out? It's not because they're back ordered. It's because they take so long to ship out because they got to ship it out from China. Duh. You might as well go straight to the real man. Temperature's looking a little too high. Supposed to be going to a meet later. Hopefully, me and the boys go to the meet. I can get some more content to record. I've been real active lately on TikTok than any of the other platforms. I started posting on IG. Still not too active on there. I'll post probably once a month here and there, but I already started posting on YouTube, like my POV drives in my old car, and then I moved over to TikTok, and I started really posting on TikTok. I had one viral video, and I just been milking it. B58. Oh, I got a dog. Damn, he need to wash his car, dude. You see how many brake dust he got on his tires? Let's see if he has an exhaust. Vacuum, dude. He sounds like a vacuum, and my car sounds like a lawnmower. Dead. Oh shoot, M45. Bro, that's a car I used to have before. Peep. You got a peep game. It's all beat though. You don't take care of it. You don't want to smoke. That's embarrassing. I drive by as my axles are clicking. I need to change my axles. I got them. I just need to fix them. I just need to get them installed. I got the axles. I just need to get them installed. I got my boy's gonna install it for me on Thursday, so it should be smooth after that. Pressing this button and it wasn't starting the camera, bro. Oh, let me plug my TikTok real quick. So, oh no, don't look at that. So y'all can go follow my TikTok. Can't believe. This is where I've been active on lately. Give me the 4,000 subscribers, bro. I'm far from that. Give me the 4,000 followers. You guys will make my day. Yo, why is this Honda riding my butt, dude? The Honda Odyssey too, dude. Get away. Getting Honda overstimulated. Showing what this Infiniti can do. Of the Japanese. Yo, I kid you not, I thought that was a Honda. That's a Chevy. Bro, the front end looked just like a Honda Civic. Bro, I don't know why he keeps doing that. It's like, I think it gets too hot. Okay, so if you guys are tuned, I don't know any other tune is. This is why Sonic Tune is on top. I still haven't made a video about that, bro. I'm like the worst at creating videos, bro. I suck at it. No, I don't want to. Oh, damn. The way I think is anything you say out loud is what it is. Like, I believe in God, and there's a Bible verse that I don't know off the top of my mind, but it's basically saying whatever you say, it shall happen, right? So you gotta always speak positive stuff, and so me saying I suck, I don't suck at it. What was that? I just lack in recording. I really need to record more. We're gonna pull into Mavis. I'm gonna share the whip real quick. So I can peep the whip. Oh, there's people here? Oh my gosh, anxiety just shot up. But what I was going to say was, don't speak negative, man. Always speak positive on yourself. You know? This is why I try not to curse, because it's, bro, that's a whole different topic. It's like going down like people who believe in like conspiracy theories and stuff. It's just your mouth has a lot of power over you. So be careful what you say. But what I was gonna say, like I already forgot what I was gonna say. I don't even remember what I was gonna say. Oh, the whole tuning. I've been planning to make a whole tuning video on it. If y'all still watching, y'all let me know if y'all really want a video like that. But I've been planning to make a video on my tune, Sonic Tune, to be like exact. But y'all let me know. I could give y'all like the ins and outs and how it is and if it's really worth it or not. Bro, look at these clips. That spit was crazy. I gotta make it look nice for y'all. Oh, that's a bad angle. Let's get this angle. Y'all like it? Y'all like it? It's like 2 years. It's like a 2-year progress. Something cool, nothing crazy. It's really like OEM plus. Y'all peep my new rims? I ain't gonna lie, they're a little cooked. I want to get them restored. Look at that. Work emotions, fire. Bro, if y'all got a Q50, I know your bumper is hanging like mine's. Those clips just suck. Oh my gosh. I need to get these installed. I haven't got these installed in the front just because my what's it called? My spindle sticks out a lot. Oof, I stink. Oh my gosh, I'm having a scare. Why does it smell like that?